Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from AppSolve giving tips to Salesforce. Okay, so the last time we was talking about date, time, date, currency checkbox. Today we're gonna take more for types. So the first one today is the email, which is gonna allow users to enter an email address which is validated to ensure proper format. So we can't use anything under that field if that was an email. So let's go to leads and then go to John Smith. Okay, so John Smith gonna have an email. Let's say Jamal Slamani at appsolve.com, and let's remove the at and save. Please enter a valid email address such as name@email.com. So if we gonna return back the at, it will let us save this record. So yeah, so we can say there is a pre-prepared functionality on the email that Salesforce offer to not to do any coding to get an email format and so on. So geolocation gonna be allows user to define locations, includes latitude and longitude components, and can be used to calculate distance. Okay, so geolocation, this field gonna have two subfields under that, which is the longitude and latitude, and we're gonna enter these values inside these subfields. Okay, for number allows user to enter any number, leading zeros are removed. So what that mean? That means that this type of field gonna let you enter only numbers. You can't enter letters, you can't enter anything else, and just only numbers, and the leading zeros are removed, which is if you start with 0 0 1 2 3, the first two zeros gonna be removed. Okay, next thing, which is percent. The percent gonna be allow user to enter a percentage number, for example 10, and automatically adds the percent sign to the number. Okay, I will show you a percent number that can be on the opportunities, and then recently viewed testing. Okay, so here the probability of this opportunity can be, let's say we are on 10%, we can say it's 100%. I will remove the percent value of the percent from the value, and I will show you. So 100, and then save. It's automatically put the percent character beside the 100. Okay, so for today we was very fast. So percent, number, geolocation, and email. Now that should be clear to you guys. So now thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content.